Hello, I'm Debbie Bell Hosking. With me is Cara O'Nions from Vocalink. Hello.
Hi, Debbie.
We're here to talk next generation payments. New research done in 2015, earlier research done on mobile payment usage in 2013. So 2 years on, why conduct further research?
Well, 2 years, Debbie, is a long time in the world of payments, and we felt it was the right time to take a look at what we'd learnt within the business from a thought leadership perspective and combine that with some genuine customer insight and really bring those two things together to get a sense of current payment usage, but also future trends.
And what did the research reveal, and firstly, in terms of customer needs and their wants?
So no surprises, smartphone usage has gone up from 60% in 2013 to 84% in 2015. So no surprises there, as I say. But what was interesting for us was that 3/4 of 45 to 75-year-olds now actually own a smartphone. So not just the preserve of the young anymore. In terms of mobile banking, again, we saw a significant shift in that number from 26% of people using their phone to conduct banking to 47% in 2015. So again, a significant jump. In terms of what customers are looking for, three things came out very clearly for us. So customers want ease, they want ubiquity, and they want security. So in terms of ease, it's a solution that really cuts through all of the noise that's out there, something that's very easy to understand, is very simple, and addresses their needs. In terms of ubiquity, that's really about being able to use one payment solution across everything and know that that's going to work. And then finally, in terms of security, it's about the knowledge that they can make a transaction and that payment will get to the intended recipient safely and securely.
Security, how else have concerns over security evolved over the last 2 years?
Interestingly, there's been a real shift in terms of people's mindset around security. So in 2013, we noticed that consumers were really concerned about the security that sits within the actual payment technology. And that's moved now in 2015 to people being much more concerned about the physical security of their device. So whether that's about losing their phone, whether it's about loss of signal, or whether it's about loss of battery, those are the three things that our consumers said were actually the things that worried them the most about making mobile payments.
Biometrics. Where are we with biometrics?
So biometrics is certainly evolving. 1 in 20 people said that they were using biometric technology, and that was very much about thumbprint recognition on their phone. And 1 in 3 of those people who said they'd used it had actually used it for making a payment. So it's definitely something that's evolving. And even people who haven't used biometric technology were very receptive to using it in the future and had a very clear understanding of the security benefits of doing so.
What opportunities are there for banks in terms of next generation payments?
There's a huge opportunity for the banks. 47% of our respondents said that they would expect their bank to be providing that mobile payment technology to them and would be comfortable using it. And actually, indeed, 31% said they'd be happy to use a provider that their bank had recommended. So the banks are in a great position. They have that primary relationship with their customer in terms of the current bank account, and they have the marketing power to access those customers in a meaningful way. But they've got to do it in the right way. And that really is about addressing the customer needs of ease, of security and ubiquity. And then I think the banks are in a great position.
Predictions. Who do you think will win the mobile payments war?
That's a tough question, but I think what we will see is a consolidation in the market. So I would expect to see the 200 or 300 payment providers that we have out there globally move to maybe 2 or 3 providers that will provide that ubiquity. But we're going to conduct the survey again in 18 months. So we shall see what happens.
I look forward to that and seeing how everything has evolved and how the figures have changed, perhaps.
Well, I'll look forward to coming back, Debbie, and sharing that with you.
Thank you, Cara. And thank you for watching.